The bill is literally being sponsored by a farmer. Maybe listen to that guy on the issue of whether or not farmers need access to repair materials. Just unbelievable. Anyway, this is actually a good news story in that right to repair. Senate Bill 1132 passed the Senate Rules Committee. It is now ready for a full vote in the Florida Senate. Here is hoping it passes, and here's hoping it passes on a bipartisan vote. But if Republicans need to do this themselves, good on them. I'll happily celebrate them for doing the right thing on this issue. This is a good bill.